So hi and hello, welcome to our channel Algo Exploration. My name is Samir and today we are going to learn about how to build a max heap. Now given an array A, we have to build a max heap. So our first approach will be, since it is a max heap, we can sort the array in descending order. So the array will look like this: 100, then 50, 10, 5 and 4. Now this will be a max heap. Now since you want to know whether it is a max heap or not, what you can do, you can take the elements sequentially and put in this tree. So 100, 50, 10, 5 and 4. Now you can see that this is nothing but a max heap. So to sort the array in descending order, the time complexity will be order of n log n. So overall, to build a max heap using this approach, the time complexity will be n log n. Now how can we reduce the time complexity? So the second approach will be, now before going to the second approach, let's see some property of complete binary tree. Okay, so given n node in a complete binary tree, so the formula will be n by 2 taking floor value goes till n minus 1. So let's see here, the number of nodes are 7. So 7 by 2 taking floor value, that will be 3 till n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1, 6. So from 3, 4, 5, 6 are the leaf node. Okay, now you can see that node 3, 4, 5 and 6 are the leaf node. So why are we interested for finding the leaf node? Because leaf node are the tree that contains only one node, but it is a max heap or a min heap. Okay, and we are not concerned about it. We are concerned about the parent node. Now since we find the leaf node, we can easily find what are the parent node. So the parent node will be just the previous node from the first leaf node. So 2, 1 and 0 are the non-leaf node. Okay, now coming from 2 and goes till 0, that is root node, we can find whether that subtree follows the max heap property or not. Okay, so starting from node 2, in this subtree we can find whether this subtree follows the max heap property or not. After that we will find here whether this subtree follows max heap property or not, and after that we will go at the root node and see whether this whole subtree follows a max heap property or not. So how can we find? Let's see. Now this is our tree. The leaf node are 3, 4, 5 and 6. So coming from node 2, we will see whether this subtree follows a max heap property or not. Now to satisfy the max heap property, the parent node should be always max heap. Now among these 3 nodes, here the right child of node 2 is actually maximum, right? So what we will do, we will swap it. So 16 will come here and 6 will come here. Now we can see that this subtree follows the max heap property, right? Because the root is maximum. Now we will come at node 1. Here also we can see that the right child of node 1, that is 12, it is actually maximum. So we will swap it. So 12 will come here and 5 will come here. Now this subtree satisfies the max heap property. Now after that we will go at the root node. Now among 1, 12 and 16, here 16 is maximum, right? So we will swap 1 with 16. So 16 will come here and 1 will come here. Now do you think that this will be our max heap? No, it's not, because here we can see that the parent node is 1 but the child node are 14 and 6, right? 6. So we will swap 1 with 14. Now this will be 14 and this will be 1. Now it is over. Now the whole tree is a max heap. So in this way we build a max heap. So let's see the source code now. Now I have named the function as build max heap by passing the array A. Now from n by 2 minus 1, that is the last parent node, down till 0, that is the root node, we will call max heapify by passing the array A and the I, right? So this is the max heapify. by passing array A and I. Now among this subtree, that is parent node, left child and right child, we will find the maximum among these, okay, and put this value in variable A. Now our first thing is we will check whether the x is equals to parent node or not. If it is, then we will return nothing. Now we will check whether the x is equals to left child or not. If it is, then we will swap parent with left child. If this is not the case, then we will check whether x is equals to right child or not. If it is, then we will swap parent with right child. And after that, we will again call Max Heap by passing array A and x.